Hello, thank you for tuning in. My name is David Walla-Widnick, the resident cocktail stylist of Taste Magazine. Today, I'm here in one of my favorite signature BC liquor stores, excited to demonstrate for you a coffee cocktail. Today, I'm inspired by one of my favorites, a Vietnamese coffee. So we're gonna turn that into a cocktail, starting with a glass, an old-fashioned glass. And to that, we will add roughly 1 ounce or 30 mils of a sweetened condensed milk to the bottom of that glass. Now, I've slightly thinned this sweetened condensed milk by adding roughly 30% hot water to it. The reason being is that once you add cold to a sweetened condensed milk, it will tighten up a little bit. This way, it'll actually mix in with the drink when you want it to. Now we'll add a little bit of ice directly to the glass so that we can layer the cocktail right over top. So let's fill that up right about there. Now, for the moment, we'll just set that aside and we'll come back to it. Next, we'll take a mixing glass. To this mixing glass, we'll take some Crown Royal vanilla. Whiskey naturally has a beautiful vanilla profile to it. Well, Crown Royal has just amped up that vanilla profile for this particular bottling. To the mixing glass, 30 mils, which is 1 fluid ounce. Then, to complement that, fresh mint will go on top. Why not put a little bit of mint inside the cocktail? Peppermint Schnapps, 15 mils, which is half of an ounce. Now, coffee has to go in there as well. Make a strong coffee. Today, I used a French press and I doubled up the amount of coffee grounds that I would normally put in there because I want this to be extra strong. I let it cool, put it into a bottle. Now it's ready to use. 60 mils, which is 2 fluid ounces. And there we go. We've got all of our cocktail components right in there, ready to add some ice, and then we'll give it a stir. Oftentimes, you'll see most coffee cocktails that'll be shaken. This one, I don't want to aerate it. I want it to still have that rich, thicker mouthfeel and flavor profile. So stirring we will do to this particular cocktail, enough to chill and dilute it. That should about do it. Now, we'll bring in the glass once again with that sweetened condensed milk at the bottom. We'll pour the coffee cocktail right over top of that ice. As you can see there, it's got this beautiful layering effect that we can stir in the sweetness at the bottom if we desire. Let's take a little bit of fresh mint and place that right over the surface as your garnish. And that, my friends, is called the Menthe Cafe, my interpretation of a Vietnamese coffee done in the style of a cocktail. As I said, pick up a copy of Taste Magazine for this recipe and many more, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.